Welcome to the spoken tutorial on understanding menus in Joomla. In this tutorial, we will learn about menus and their importance in Joomla, menu manager, and how to create menu items. We will also learn how to create submenus, change the default homepage, and unpublish menu items. For this tutorial, we will be using Ubuntu Linux OS 14.04, Joomla 3.4.1, Apache, MySQL, and PHP obtained through XAMPP 5.5.19. To follow this tutorial, you should know how to create articles in Joomla. If not, check the relevant Joomla tutorials on the Spoken Tutorial website. Let's go to our Digital India webpage to understand more about menus. On the right of the homepage, there's a box which says Main Menu. It currently has only one menu, Home. By default, this is the only menu available in Joomla. Menus are a way to help us navigate the website. Every menu has a set of menu items. Here, Home is a menu item which points to all featured articles. This is the reason why any article that is marked as featured appears on our homepage. Every menu item defines a URL to a web page. A menu item can be set to point to an article like vitamin A here. Or it can be set to list all articles under a category like vitamins. Let's switch to the Joomla control panel. Click on Menu Manager in the left menu. Alternately, you may click on Menus in the menu bar at the top of the web page and then on Menu Manager. By default, we have one menu called Main Menu. Click on the title Main Menu. We can see the menu items associated with this menu. Notice that Menu Manager, Menu Items has a similar layout as Article Manager. Let's create a menu item which will point to our article Benefits of Nutrients. Click on the New button in the toolbar. Menu Item Type field decides the type of page to be shown when we click on that menu item. There are various options like single article, list of articles in a category, etc. Click on Select button next to the menu item type. A new window opens. Click on Articles in the new window. We can see a list of options under Articles. Click on Single Article. Depending on the menu item type, some new parameters may be required. Since we've selected Single Article, a new field, Select Article, has appeared. This is a mandatory field. Click on Select button next to this field. A new window opens with a complete list of articles. This window has a search text box which works on the title of the article. It also has filters to narrow down the list of articles visible in the window. Let's select the article Benefits of Nutrients. For now, we'll keep the default settings in all the other fields in this window. Right on the top, we have the menu title field. This is a mandatory field. Let us type Single Article Nutrients as a title. Click on Save and Close. Switch to Digital India webpage and refresh it. Notice the new menu item link. Click on it. We can see the article Benefits of Nutrients is displayed here. Click on Digital India at the top left to go back to the home page. Switch to the Menu Manager webpage. Let's change the Single Article Nutrients menu item to List of Categories. So, click on the title Single Article Nutrients. Click on the Select next to Menu Item type. In the new pop-up window, click on Articles and then on List All Categories. We're back to the Menu Manager window. Notice now that a new field appears. It requires us to select the top level category. This is a category whose subcategories will be listed under this menu item. By default, it is Root. We will leave all the other fields as they are. But we'll change the menu title to Multiple Categories. Click on Save and Close. Switch to the Digital India webpage and refresh it. In the main menu, click on Multiple Categories. Notice that two of our categories, nutrients and food sources, are shown on the top left of the web page. The numbers next to the category indicate the number of articles under that category. Also notice that the category Uncategorized is not shown here. That is because it has neither any article nor any subcategory assigned to it. Click on Nutrients link. The article Benefits of Nutrients and subcategories Vitamins and Minerals are shown up. Click on Digital India link at the top left to go back to the home page. A menu item can have submenus, similar to how a category can have subcategories. Switch to the Menu Manager web page. Let's create a submenu under Multiple Categories. On the Menu Items page, click on New button. Click the Select button next to the menu item type and then on Articles. Select Category List. This will display a list of articles in a category. A new field, Choose a Category, appears. By default, the selected category is uncategorized. Let's select Nutrients in the drop-down list. On the right, there is a field to select the parent item. Click on it. Then select the option Multiple Categories. Lastly, let's give this menu a title. We will call it Nutrient Articles. Click on Save button. Let's have a look at all the changes on the Digital India web page. Let's refresh the web page and click on Multiple Categories menu item. Immediately, we see the submenu item Nutrient Articles displayed below it. Click on it. This page lists all the articles under this category in a tabular format. The subcategories, vitamins and minerals are listed separately. Now let's have a look at the title that is displayed for this web page. It says Nutrient Articles, as you can see here. How can we change this title to a different one? We can do this through the menu settings. Switch to the Menu Manager web page. Let's click on the tab Page Display. Note that here all the page settings are optional. In Browser Page Title field, type Nutrient Category. Then click on Save and Close button. Switch to Digital India web page and refresh it. Notice the browser title now. It says Nutrient Category. Click on the Digital India link to go back to the home page. Let us switch back to the Menu Manager. Notice the Home button in the top toolbar. This makes the page associated with the selected menu as a website home page. By default, the menu item Home is set as the default home page. We can verify this by hovering the cursor on the Home column button. The tooltip says Default. Let's make the Nutrient Article submenu as the default home page. Click on the checkbox to the left of the title and click on Home button in the toolbar. Notice that the yellow star now appears next to this submenu. Switch to the Digital India web page and refresh it. Notice that the home page has changed. Menus are important in Joomla because content can be displayed only via menus, and every website must have at least one published menu. Switch to the Menu Manager web page. Select the checkbox to the left of Nutrient Article submenu. Click on the Unpublished button on the top toolbar. The system shows an error, Can't unpublish default home. This means that the menu associated with the home page cannot be unpublished. However, we can unpublish the parent menu. Click on the checkbox to the left of Multiple Categories. Click on Unpublish button in the toolbar. Unpublishing a menu also unpublishes all its submenus. Let's go to the Digital India web page and check what we have done. Refresh the home page. Notice that the home page now shows an error. The requested page cannot be found. This is because the default home menu Nutrient Articles also got unpublished. Let's go back to the Menu Manager. Publish the multiple categories by clicking on the status icon. Switch to the Digital India web page and refresh it. Note that the error on the home page has now gone. We can see nutrient articles being displayed. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we learnt about menus and the importance in Joomla, menu manager, and how to create menu items. We also learnt how to create submenus, change the default home page, and unpublish menu items. Here are 2 assignments for you. Create a new menu item, category blocks and list under the main menu. Create 2 submenus under this menu item. Hint is to use the guidelines given in the assignment text file provided with this tutorial. Refresh the home page. Click on the newly created menu items and understand the difference between the 2 menu types. Delete the menu item nutrient articles. See if you can restore it back. Hint is to use the search tool filters. The video at the following link summarizes the spoken tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates on passing online tests. For more details, please write to us. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NMEICT, MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at the link shown. This is Priyanka signing off. Thank you for joining.